Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix microphone not working on Instagram on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Before you take any action, check whether microphone is working for other apps or not. For checking this, you can send a voice note on any other social media app just to confirm yourself that the problem is with Instagram, not within your device. Often restating iPhone is an effective solution for various issues, including microphone problems. After restarting, check if the issue is resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. Open your device's settings. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Find the microphone and ensure that all microphone options are enabled. Go back and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage, locate the Instagram app. Tap Offload app, then confirm. After offloading, tap Reinstall. Test the microphone and observe the results. If the issue persists, proceed to the next solution. Solution 4 is to reinstall the Instagram app. Open and hold the Instagram app icon. Select Remove App and confirm by tapping Delete App. Now reinstall the app from the App Store. These steps should help you resolve the microphone issue on Instagram. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.